I guess I'm not surprised because when you peel everything back, all the insults and everything else, it's in all three countries' best interest to do a deal. For the United States, the largest export market we have is Canada. The second largest export market we have is Mexico. And if we disrupt those two, we have a big hit to our own economy. And for Mexico and Canada, their largest export market is the United States. So it's in all three countries' best interest. I guess my disappointment was we did not have to go through all the insults of both countries in order to get here. But anyway, I do think I'm fairly optimistic that by the end of the week we can wrap it up, at least in principle, and we can have a deal. What are
the improvements that really stand out for you for what's happening in the on the Mexico side, and what do we need to do on the side with Canada, to our neighbors to the north, to make it better for hopefully for both the United States and Canada?
Well, as you just mentioned, there's an awful lot that has not been revealed, and so we're trying to interpret what the two sides, or at least Mexico and U.S., have agreed to, and it's really hard to get all the details on that. I think it's an improvement in some ways because things such as digital trade and intellectual property protection, things like that, did not exist in the original NAFTA, and they're going to be addressed in this. From the United States point of view, our major concern was to create a situation where we can improve auto production, automobile production, in the United States and in North America. And that seems to be a very complicated result, but one that should increase our production in the United States as well as Mexico and Canada. So those are improvements. And overall, I think if we can just settle it all, get it done, and then get going, it's going to be a great improvement. One of the things is that through this whole past year of uncertainty, investment in all three countries, capital investment in all three countries, has been down. People have been waiting to find out, investors have been waiting to find out whether or not the three countries can reach a deal. As we move toward a deal and get it, then I believe we'll see a lot more capital investment. That will be a boost to all three economies. And when you look at North America from the standpoint of natural resources, human resources, and where we're located, we are the richest region in the entire world. And if we make this trade deal work, we will continue to be a dominant economic factor throughout the world for years to come.